Welcome to the Technical University of Munich at the Heilbronn campus, the campus for the digital age. Here in the XR Lab, excellence in research and teaching meets pioneering digital technologies.
In this lab, we combine eye tracking as well as virtual and augmented reality, and we use it in teaching and in research projects. That's the way we try to create excellence, by bringing together teaching and research early on.
The XR Lab focuses on using state-of-the-art technologies to develop innovative solutions and impart knowledge in a completely new way.
We seek to implement cutting-edge approaches in teaching so that we can gain experience, which we then can share, for instance, with other TUM campuses and beyond. When it comes to research, we want to understand what's really going on out there in the industry. What is it that managers care about? What should they care about? So we think about the problems that are yet to arise. We seek to be at the forefront. As a researcher, we have to make recommendations, and that will have the real-world impact that we have already now. We'll put it to the next level.
The XR Lab at TUM Campus Heilbronn explores various research questions related to digital technologies and their diverse challenges.
The focus is on decision making, but also social media. In the eye tracking lab, we give them certain social media stories, for example, and then we analyze how people look at this content.
I'm excited about applications of AR in manufacturing. Take augmented reality, for instance. It's been used in industry. In one study, we see that it can accelerate the processes and make workers work faster by 40%. That's massive real-world impact.
The XR Lab is not only crucial for research, where professors and doctoral students take results to the next level, but also essential for teaching, allowing students to experience the impacts of research firsthand.
What makes it so special is that we have the opportunity to actually apply the knowledge that we gained in the courses and try it at the newest technology and then see what happens, for example, in the experiment we did in eye tracking, and that makes it super unique.
Students in my class, they come there and I want to tell them what is supply chain coordination. The beer game simulation that we developed, I want to eventually roll it out and make it available. Students put on the VR headset and they become part of a supply chain. They immediately see the consequence of their decisions, but also the consequences of their supply chain, so that we can then dive deeper into the theory.
We have a seminar on decision making and eye tracking, and then they formulate their research questions, and then they can go into this lab and test these questions that they have immediately. So I think that's the best way of getting students into, or fascinating them regarding research questions. And so for me, that's amazing, because it just gives us the ability to attract good students and work with them.
As one of the most research-intensive and innovative universities in Europe, TUM Campus Heilbronn addresses various questions of the digital age. The XR Lab is an essential part of it. The XR Lab at TUM Campus Heilbronn, campus for the digital age.